Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing another quick and easy smoothie. You can pack with you, carry on the go. You can have it for breakfast first thing in the morning. You can literally do whatever you want to do. So first things first, I'm going to start off with my natural Greek yogurt. And I bought this one from Tesco's. Quite hard to open the packet actually. So it's this one here. So I'm just going to empty the entire, all of the entire contents into my blender. So I'm going to spoon it out. It's quite thick. So that's all in there, and here I've got 30 grams of oats. You can just get any plain oats, doesn't matter. Just going to put that in. Got another 30 grams here of desiccated coconut. I'll put that in. And then I washed and took out the cores of my strawberries beforehand, and I cut up one ripe banana. So I'm just going to put those in. And here I've got 100 grams of mango. You can do it, you can freeze it, you can do it fresh, it's up to you however you want. I just do them frozen because it lasts a lot longer, because I don't use them that often. So I'm just going to put my lid on and then let it blend. So I'll stop this for a minute and get down all the stuff from the sides. Okay, so that's it. This smoothie can be had by anyone, literally the children, adults, everyone. You can try a different type of yogurt if you want. I know they've got ones with honey in there or whatever. So feel free to try different yogurts. If you don't actually want to use yogurt, you don't have to, because I know a lot of people do not actually like yogurt. You can use milk instead and it works out just the same. It's just that it won't be as thick as, but you can play around with the amount of oats that you use or coconut or fruits, and that will thicken up the consistency for you. So there you have it guys. See you soon. Bye.